it's a dream come true. So with the passion inside me, sana mas maging mag-align din and mabigyan pa ako ng mga ibang projects na with the genres na I hope na mabigyan ko pa ng kwento.
Tingnan natin yung mga questions na for Patrol. How does it feel you're now part of Star Magic?
I'm super duper grateful and I'm super happy, and malaking bagay po yun sa akin. Being a fan of ABS, now I'm a part of it officially talaga. And I'm super looking forward, and I can't wait for more projects.
You mentioned earlier, ito ay pangarap na natupad.
Yes, it is. It's a dream come true. So with the passion inside me, sana mas maging mag-align din and mabigyan pa ako ng mga ibang projects na with the genres na I hope na mabigyan ko pa ng kwento, yung mga ibang tao na hindi naririnig.
How does it feel na ikaw ngayon, dahan-dahan, you're being recognized as an actor?
It's super overwhelming. Nagpapanik din po ako inside, but at the same time, I'll try to manage it mas swabe, and siguro kaya, by in time matutunan ko na to handle it well.
Since how young were you dreaming of entering showbiz? Like what age were you?
Because I was doing projects na talaga 2 months old pa lang po ako. So I was doing commercials since I was a baby. So parang pagkalabas ko, trabaho na to. parang ganun. I was doing commercials since I was, I think, 8 years old po ata. And then when I was 8, doon na po ako pumasok to do TV.
When you were
8 years old. And then, so mga siguro 16 years, nasa industriya na rin po ako. So basically yung passion po na yun, pinapahinga ko lang para makagraduate muna sa college.
What was the best compliment you've gotten so far?
Na hindi ako si Miggy, yung nakikita nila sa characters ko. So that's the biggest compliment, na nakita nila yung character sa portrayals ko.
And what are your family's reaction to you?
They're so happy. They're so happy. Sa totoo lang, kung ako sobrang excited na ako, mas level up pa yung excited nila. And sila mismo, like, lagi nila ako nire-remind na be humble, na stay grounded. It's very important na just be grateful. Kumbaga, i-endure mo lang lahat at the same time. Akapin mo lang. It's a blessing.